Hey there. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to trick some AI content detectors without using any complicated stuff. I'll show you how I did it using ChatGPT. Now, keep in mind, there are still more advanced detectors out there that might catch on to this, but for now, this works. To save time, I wrote a 250-word article on ChatGPT and how it will change the real estate industry. I then scanned it using a popular detector called originality.ai, and it picked it up as 97% AI and only 3% original. I also scanned it using writer.com's detector, which surprisingly said that it was 90% human-generated content. It's all pretty interesting stuff. Anyway, let's move on. Now, we're going to use content@scale.ai's free AI detector, and guess what? It doesn't catch on as easily. It's picking me up as 100% AI-based content. Ha! Take that, content detectors. Okay, let's get down to business. To make the most of ChatGPT, use prompts and seed content to give it some direction. We want to let the AI know how these detectors look for robotic content. So, we'll start a new chat and give it some info before asking it to write an article. Easy peasy. Hey, have you heard about those sneaky AI content detectors? They're like the grammar police of the internet. Well, fear not, my friends, because I've got a little hack for you. I wrote an article on ChatGPT and how it will change the real estate industry. Then I ran it through a popular detector called originality.ai, and it basically said I'm 97% robot and only 3% original. Yikes. But then, I ran it through writer.com's detector, and it said, hey, this is 90% human. Wait, what? So, I guess I'm part robot, part human. The future is weird, guys. Anyway, content@scale.ai's free AI detector is a little more forgiving. It's detecting me as 100% AI-based content, which means I'm a sophisticated robot. Now, let me teach you how to trick these detectors. ChatGPT is an amazing tool, and you can make the most out of it by using prompts and seed content. Before asking it to write an article, give it some info about how these detectors look for robotic content. That way, you can get a good balance of perplexity and burstiness, and create content that'll have M fooled. So, let's try it out. I'm going to ask ChatGPT to write an article and give it some direction. Let's see if we can create original content with a high degree of perplexity and bursts. Alright, I've got the article. Now, let's put it to the test. We're going to use originality.ai, but make sure not to check the plagiarism option, or you'll burn through your credits. And the verdict is in, folks. It's a 100% original content, no robotic elements detected. Looks like we outsmarted those detectors again. So, keep this little hack in mind next time you're struggling to create original content. ChatGPT and a good balance of perplexity and burstiness can work wonders. Remember, we're not robots, we're sophisticated content creators. But seriously, isn't it crazy how technology is constantly changing the game for content creation? We've gone from solely human-written content to now using AI tools to help us generate ideas and even write entire articles. And with detectors becoming stricter and stricter, it's good to know these little hacks to make sure our content is getting the recognition it deserves. So, if you're a content creator, keep exploring these new technologies and finding ways to make them work for you. And who knows, maybe one day we'll all be writing alongside our robotic counterparts. Until then, keep writing and creating, my fellow humans.